Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this Instant Pot salsa chicken. Hey guys, let's get started on this Instant Pot salsa chicken. This is my interpretation. I know there's a lot of Instant Pot salsa chicken recipes out there, but I think this one is, of course, it's more delicious. Because we're using chicken thighs. Most of the recipes use dry chicken breast. I'm going to use juicy, flavorful chicken thighs. So we've got 8 bone-in chicken thighs. You could use boneless, skinless, but I think that these they stay juicy. So we're actually going to remove the skin because the skin is just going to get flabby and gross in the Instant Pot. We've already done it with these. I'm going to show you how I do it with this one because it's really simple. All we do is just pull the skin away from the flesh like this, and then we're going to cut off this end over here to remove the skin, and that's it. That's all you've got to do. Now I'm going to wash my hands. Okay, before I start putting everything in the Instant Pot, I'm going to make up the seasoning mix really quickly. I've got a little bowl here, and I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of oregano, a ½ teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, kosher salt, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. So I'm just going to stir it up and set that aside. So now we've got our Instant Pot here, and what you want to do is pour, we've got a cup of salsa, and I'm going to pour that in the bottom of the Instant Pot. That just keeps the chicken from burning whenever it's coming up to pressure. So now I'm going to add half of the chicken. I've got 8 chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So I'm going to add 4 into the bottom. And this salsa is going to be enough liquid. You don't need to add any more liquid. So we've got 4 chicken thighs. I'm going to season them with half of our seasoning. This is some very flavorful chicken. Lots of delicious seasoning. I'm going to add the rest of the chicken and the rest of the seasoning on that chicken. My kids and my husband love this chicken. It's so good. Okay, we are going to seal up our Instant Pot and make sure it's set to sealing on the valve. I'm just going to use manual mode because that's just pressure. It's high pressure. That's what you want with your Instant Pot, and I set it to 12 minutes. So we're going to let it do 12 minutes. It's going to then depressurize for 10 minutes, and then we will release the rest of the pressure. And that's it. Okay, we've got our chicken thighs all ready. So let's pull some out of here. Put them in this bowl. They are nice and saucy. And let's get a bite. Ooh, I don't even need a knife. They just are so tender, you don't even need a knife. Let's try a bite. These are so good. Some ways that you can use this chicken is you could shred them off the bone and you can put them in tacos, you could make quesadillas, or you could just eat them like this. They are very versatile and so delicious. You can put them in soup, shredded into a soup. So good. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you check out this recipe, and also check out this recipe here for my keto chocolate cupcakes. You gotta have some cupcakes after you have this delicious chicken. So check that out, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.